than at Ecuador. And because the
Time for a look at the Pacific with our Pacific Update here at the Weather Channel. Let's bring it on. Well, we're bringing on some rainfall now, some showers mostly in the Pacific Northwest around Seattle and Everett. Portland and Troutdale, we're getting a few of our showers here as well. Something there's a notable absence of, and that is wet weather for San Francisco. Not there yet. That's a good thing. It's not there, but unfortunately more is on the way. Even Southern California, L.A., San Diego, around National City too, and all over L.A. You know, we've seen too much of it. More is on the way, but not just yet. You can even kind of see kind of an up and over of the cloudiness here. Reason is the jet stream, the giant river of air that steers some of the systems around. We talk about its effect with that a lot, has provided a bit of protection, or a ridge is kind of pumped up here, keeping the stability here. We've seen some clouds throughout Southern Cal, but not dealing with the rain. Better time outside. In the Northwest, Seattle, we're seeing some rain. Also Portland again, kind of a showery pattern. How about temps? Well, 45 was the high in Portland, 50 for Seattle. Denver, not mile-high warmth, but not bad, 37 today. 62 for Phoenix and Tempe. Around San Francisco, San Rafael, 60. L.A., around Torrance, Riverside, Malibu Hills. Look, was this a great day today outside, or what? 75. Good day around the Santa Monica Pier. And the best part is another good one on the way. San Diego, 68 degrees. But tonight we're cooling it off around San Diego, 59 around Lakeside, 56 here, or 55 rather, for Los Angeles. Around the Golden Gate Rec area, cool night there. Waves coming in, beautiful spot. 54 right now. Around Phoenix, it's 52. So we have some cool temperatures there as well. Break it down further. Yakima at 39, Redmond 41, 50 for Medford, 50 for Sacramento, 52 for Marysville, Blue Canyon 37, Reno out there gaming tonight, having at it there with the slots or whatever. 38 degrees the current temp. Southern Cal 59 for San Diego. In the desert though, Palm Springs at 55 and Imperial at 52. As far as quakes go, nothing reported for Southern California, nothing reported for Northern California. But as far as Pacific Northwest goes, nothing reported there either. Nothing on the map for Alaska, but 50 miles southeast of Atka, Alaska, which is just off of our map, there was a 5.0 magnitude quake. Time for the Pacific Regional Forecast. I mentioned the ridge. It's still in place. Things aren't bad. The rough stuff is still going on here, though. A bit of low pressure and some snowy stuff swirling around here, counterclockwise motion. High pressure way up into Canada is going to back up a bit. As it goes backwards, it will kind of loosen its grip, if you will. And when these lines get real close together, falling off toward low pressure, represents windy conditions or a tight pressure gradient. The pressure gradient force, that's what this is called, what it deals with. It's going to relax a bit, so the winds will die down, but we still have a little snow to contend with. Arizona not doing too bad here, thanks to the protection. San Francisco, nice day outside too, around Sacramento, or Marysville, around L.A., fine. San Diego, no problems. Northern California, we could see a few showers here, though. Eureka, even around Portland and Troutdale, and Seattle and Everett, and even Stampede Pass. We could pick up some snowfall there, though, but mostly a rain event along the coast throughout the day. Let's break it down here. San Diego 50, 49 for Long Beach. Civic Center into the 50s to start it off, warming nicely into the 70s. As you look at Sacramento, kind of foggy. A few clouds for San Francisco. Kick up the heat. That's all right. Could see some rain, though, for Northern California. Probably see the rain, maybe some snow for Yakima, and that is going to be around, too, with at least the rain threat along the coast. Here's a look at the current weather map with the messes here. There's some wet weather. Here's some snowy stuff. No thanks to this low pressure. Still blowing some snow problems here throughout the Dakotas. Rain, though, toward New York City and Boston. But big storms continue to fire up into Florida. That's a real problematic situation. A tornado watch in effect where you see the red shading, and also where you see this yellow shading, a severe thunderstorm watch for conditions favorable for severe thunderstorms here or tornadoes here in and close to this watch area. For a few more minutes until 1:40 a.m., southern Polk County, Doppler radar in Ruskin indicated a tornado there just a little while ago. So for a few more minutes, about 6 more minutes, a tornado warning in Polk County, which is kind of off to the east there, the Tampa Bay area. A lot of severe weather potential is still with us here in Florida. South Florida, too, there you see it. Also some storms shoving through the central parts of Florida. Could see also some very heavy rain around Orlando. Could see more wet weather here around the attractions. A little drier as you push through the day. We'll talk about that in the forecast. Carolina coast, Myrtle Beach, even Charleston. And a lot of wet weather, too, along the coast of Georgia, around New York City. A little bit of wet weather moving away on toward Providence, kind of wet. Also Boston, a bit wet. A few showers popping up here and there, too, even around Cleveland on the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame. And still the snow to deal with across the Dakotas. Lots of it. Overnight low temperatures. Here's how we started off. Kind of cooler on Minneapolis, St. Paul. And even some snow could be around. Chicago gets a bit of this. Northeast, still a chance of some rain. Things get quieter in Florida.
The Romanian divorcee was found beaten to death by her daughter. Neighbors say